friends, welcome back to Grown Up Green. Today we are going to do a 5 senses tasting. Do you know what your 5 senses are? Can you list them? Most people have the use of sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. So today we are going to use all of our senses to enjoy a nice slice of cucumber as a snack. You can do a 5 senses tasting at home with any kind of food that you've got. It's best with a seasonal fruit or vegetable, like these cucumbers from my garden, or a blueberry, a slice of a sweet pepper, or any kind of fruit or veggie that you have at your home. So why do we want to do a 5 senses tasting? Well, by slowing down and taking the time to use all of our senses when enjoying a piece of food, we are eating mindfully. Eating mindfully just means that we are taking the time to appreciate the food and the nourishment that we're putting into our bodies. We're paying attention, and we're not just shoving a snack in our mouth as fast as we can. We're really taking the time to appreciate it and think about what it's gonna do for our bodies and our health. So I'm gonna start by using my sense of sight to check out this cucumber slice. What do you see? Can you describe it? I see that my cucumber slice is a nice little circle. It's the color green, but it's not all the same green. We've got the dark green, kind of shiny peel, and then we've got a pale green center, and it's almost see-through in the middle. There are some seeds in there that I can see. How about our sense of touch? Well, my cucumber feels very wet. Why do you think that is? Have you ever noticed other fruits and veggies that are wet when you slice them, like an apple, even a carrot? Well, lots of fruits and veggies hold water inside of them. And when you cut it open, you're cutting open the cells, and those cells will let their water out. So the surface of the slice will be wet. Pretty cool, huh? So I can feel that it's wet, it's pretty firm, but it's a little bit bendy too, a little bit flexible. So that's cool. How about our sense of smell? This is one of my favorite parts. I love the way different fruits, vegetables, herbs, trees smell. It's so fun to smell them and try and describe them. Sometimes it can be hard to find the right words. A lot of smells will remind me of something else that I've eaten or smelled or tasted before. So this cucumber, interestingly, it reminds me a little bit of a slice of fresh bread. That's pretty interesting. It also reminds me a little bit of fresh cut grass and what that smells like. Can you imagine the smell of fresh cut grass? What do you think cucumbers smell like? I would love to know what you think in the comments below. Okay, now let's use our sense of hearing. Be very quiet. I don't hear anything yet. That's okay. Did your cucumber or fruit or veggie say anything to you? Now, my friends, it is time to move on to our sense of taste. I love cucumbers, so I'm gonna take a big bite. But if you aren't crazy about the fruit or veggie you're eating, or you're just not sure yet, you could take a small bite and give it a try. And if you like it, you can take a bigger bite. All right, let's go. Hey, my cucumber cucumber is making a noise. As I bite into it, I can hear it crunch, crunch, crunch. That's pretty cool. I would describe a cucumber as refreshing. It tastes watery. It has almost a little bit of bitter flavor that I really like. And it's very mild. It's yummy and mild. That's how I would describe the taste. What do you think? How would you describe the taste of a cucumber? Well, my friends, I hope that you take some time today to do some mindful eating and use all of your senses to enjoy a snack or a food. You can even do this with your dinner at home with your family. Before you take your first bite, just look at that. Use your words to describe what it looks like. Describe the smell that's coming off of your plate or your bowl. And talk about it with your family. It's a great way to slow down and appreciate the food you have and to improve your vocabulary and get better and better at describing things like smells, sounds, and tastes. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what fruit, veggie, or food you did your 5 senses tasting with. I'll see you next week. Bye.